Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking all about my favorite drugstore lashes. I am so excited about this video. For anybody that knows me, they know that lashes are everything to me. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first lash that I want to talk about is the Ardell Wispies. So these are a classic. This is what they look like. Okay, but what makes these a little bit different is that these are actually the faux mink wispies. They also have the original wispies. I like these a little bit more because they look more natural. The ends are a little bit more tapered out. And these are great for an everyday look. You can literally wear these on their own. You can wear them with a liner. Any basic eye look, with my eye look today, would look great with these lashes, and they're fairly inexpensive. I'm also going to mention the prices. These were from Target, and for the faux mink wispies it was $6.49. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these lashes off. There we go. And then I'm going to apply these so you guys can see. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when applying lashes is you want to set it on your eye and see how much you want to trim off. So a good way to gauge for me, honestly, like my eyes are very sensitive and they water quickly. So if I'm wearing a lash that's poking my inner part of my eye makeup is going to run, like I already know. So what I'll do is I will trim. Let me show you. So there are little breaks in between each lash. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to trim off the end two pieces. And I'm going to have a perfect length for my eye, because I don't like them to be too far into my inner corner, but that is just personal preference. Another thing that you want to do, I like using a black lash glue. This is the Strip Lash Adhesive from Lash Couture, and I like using black just because I feel like it conceals the lashes a little bit better. If you're a beginner, I would go with clear, but whatever you do, make sure you get a strip lash glue. The ones in the tube can get kind of messy and they take longer to dry and get tacky. So just going to apply my lash glue. I like to add like a little extra on the ends because that's where the eyelashes tend to pop out or pop up the most. And then what I will do is I will literally just give it a bend and a twist. And I need a mirror so that I can look down into my mirror. You want to make sure that you're waiting until your lash glue is tacky. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to plop it on. I'm looking down into my mirror. And I'm just going to tuck in the outer corner and then the inner corner. And that is what that lash looks like on. Honestly, it's so pretty. It's dainty. It's not too over the top. It's perfect for every day. Or even if you're just doing a very soft glam and you want to do like a bold lip, this is like the perfect lash for that. It's very understated and sweet, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the other one on off of camera so that you guys can see what it would look like on both eyes. Okay, so now that the other lash is on, this is what they look like. And these are so sweet. I love them. They're very dainty, really beautiful for just like an everyday look, or if you're new to lashes. And they're not hard to apply, but you just gotta twist and bend a little bit so it's more flexible to mold to your eye. As long as you trim them and you do that, then you should be good to go. On to the next lash. So the next pair that I want to talk about is also from Ardell, and these are the Double Ups 113. And this is what they look like, and I freaking love these. They're so beautiful and just like flared out, and they give you that volume. So if you really like a voluminous look but you don't want it to look like just like black where you can't see your lid, these are perfect. But what I like to do with these is I actually like to coat a lot of mascara on top, and it really makes them mesh with your natural lashes, and they look so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply these. Oh wait, let me tell you how much they cost. So for these ones, these were $5.99, so $6 from Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off of camera, same technique, and then I'll be back to show you what they look like. Okay, so these are the Ardell Double 113s on, and you can tell that they just have a little bit more of a flared out effect, but they're still pretty simple. You can still wear these every day, or if you're doing like a little bit of a smoky eye on the outer corner, these would look great. If you have a wing liner, these would be beautiful too. So lashes that usually are even pretty much all the way through give your eyes a more round effect, and they make your eyes look more open and awake, as opposed to the lashes that are shorter on the inside and go longer as you get out towards the inner corner. That's going to give you more of a cat eye effect. Just keep that in mind. Yesterday I posted a tutorial on my Instagram stories of a halo eye, which is smoky in the inner corner and outer corner. These would be a perfect lash to go with something like that. They're saved in my highlights if you want to go back and watch it. But yeah, let's move on to the next lash. So the next one that I have that I want to talk about are the Allure London Luxe Silk Marquise Lash, and this is what they look like. And these are basically like this, but a little bit more dramatic. So these were $10, and I'm going to hop off of camera, pop these on so that you guys can see what they look like. Okay guys, so these are the Allure Luxe Silk in the style Marquise, and this is what they look like on. Very pretty, very flirty, and they are similar to the Ardell Double 113s, but these ones are a little bit more thick at the base, and they are just more dramatic. Not too dramatic, but they're more dramatic than the 113s. So we're gonna pop these off. We're going to go into the next lash, which these are an oldie but a goodie, and when I couldn't afford to really splurge on lashes, these were my go-tos, and these are the Allure Definition lashes in the style number 126. These are great, but the band is very stiff, so they're not the most comfortable, but they do make an impact, and they go pretty well with almost everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. These were, for a pack of 3, these were $10.79, which is honestly not bad. So let me take these off, pop these on, and then I will be back to show you what they look like. Okay, so these are the Allure Definition number 126s. This is what they look like in the packaging, and this is what they look like on. These ones are a little bit more spiky and a little bit more edgy, which I love, and I love this look for a long time. I wore these every day with every different eye look, and it is just, to me, these are so pretty. I love a nice spiky lash, and there's still a lot of visibility because there are like a lot of shorter hairs versus a lot of longer hairs. You can really see any lid work that you do. If you do a graphic liner, this is a great look for that. If you have like a ton of like glitter, and yeah, I love them. The only thing I will say is to really bend the lash band, because these are a little bit tough, like they're tough, so you really gotta like like make sure that it's bendable before trying to apply it on your eye. That way it's comfortable. And I would say just trim a little bit extra off the end so that it's not too close to your inner corner and it's not like poking you, because that can get annoying. And sometimes you don't realize it when you first put them on. So maybe just wear them for a couple minutes, make sure that they're comfortable, you know, move your eyeballs everywhere just to make sure that it's not poking you. And yeah, but I really, really love these. These are and forever will be some of my favorite lashes. So moving on, we're now gonna go into the final pair of lashes that I'm gonna be talking about today. And these are technically the most pricey. I got them 50% off though, so I don't know if that's like a sale going on, but these are the Allure Luxe Cashmere lashes, and they're in the style number 9. And this is what they look like. And I know that a lot of people that don't wear lashes might look at these and be like, whoa, those are so big, those are so crazy. They're actually not that dramatic. And that was a point that I wanted to hit on here, is that don't be scared when you see lashes like this in the packaging, because when you apply them on your eye, the way that they spread out, they're not going to look as long and crazy as you might think. So I'm gonna try these on. These were originally $12.99. They were on sale. I got them for $6.49. And it says that you can wear them up to 15 times. I would say I could probably get about 20 uses out of these. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do a video on how I take care of my lashes and how I get them to last for a longer period of time, let me know. I would be more than happy to film that for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, pop these on, and I will be back to show you what they look like. Okay guys, so these are the Allure Luxe Cashmere in this the style number 9. And as you can see, even though they looked very long and dramatic in the packaging, they're actually pretty understated in my opinion. Now a lot of you might be looking like, oh, those are crazy. To me, these are still very wearable, and if you have like a very dramatic smoky eye, you can apply these. I just love the way that they look, and honestly, for the price, even at full price of $12.99, which is $13, if you're getting more than 15 wears out of these, then you are getting more than your money's worth. And honestly, the band on these is so thin, it's actually so comfortable to wear. They're not heavy, they're not, you know, you don't feel like your eyes are just like kind of being weighed down. You can still, like, I'm gonna keep these on for the rest of the day just like this, even though I don't really have a dramatic eye look going, because I feel like they are very wearable and they're very comparable to a high-end lash. So I just love these lashes. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you are interested in purchasing any of these lashes. Let me know which ones were your favorites. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to see another video about even more drugstore lashes, I do have others that I always wear. These are not the only ones, but these are definitely some of my favorites, and I really wanted to share them with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button. If you enjoyed this video, let me know below what you would like to see next. And don't forget to check me out on all my other social medias. They'll be linked in the description box below. I do Instagram story makeup tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then they are saved in my highlights if you want to go to my Instagram page and check those out. I have a bunch of looks saved on there already. I would love it if you followed me there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be Tuesday. Okay, that's it. Love you guys.